Hi, my name is Sam. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Stenergy. We're a health and wellness company that's focused on strength and energy. We're one of the first vertically integrated dietary supplement companies, and our flagship product, GluCora, is approved by Health Canada for the healthy maintenance of glucose metabolism and increased energy. Please join us today and watch this short video to learn a little bit more about Stenergy and GluCora and some of the other great things we have planned for the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Stenergy is a health and wellness company focused on strength and energy. Our flagship product, GluCora, is approved by Health Canada to provide support for healthy glucose metabolism and to provide antioxidants for increased energy. GluCora contains bonobo leaf extract, a plant native to Southeast Asia known for centuries for its anti-diabetic and anti-obesity effects. Stenergy, through its partnership in Thailand, grows and processes the bonobo on its 500-acre farm in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and then imports it here to the United States for manufacturing and distribution. Unlike other dietary supplements, Stenergy utilizes proprietary processing and emulsion technology to increase their bioavailability, or the body's ability to absorb the natural ingredients. We have also licensed a suite of products from Flagship Incorporation, DKSC, that includes prebiotics, probiotics, and cannabis products. Join us in our mission to help people live their best lives, naturally. Back to you, Sam.
Hello again. Thank you for watching our video today. And more importantly, thank you for taking the time to learn more about Stenergy and our flagship product, GluCora. There is a lot more information that's available on our website and on our social media links. So please check it out. We continue to strive to be as transparent as possible and get as much information out there as possible. More importantly, we're very excited to start to drive sales revenues for GluCora and then ultimately the other suite of products that we're going to be bringing to the market. Thanks again and have a great day.